The Wright Brothers. Biography. It is hard to believe that the first airplane with an engine flew just over 100 years ago. The hard work and clever thinking of Wilbur and Orville Wright made it happen. The Wright brothers took an early interest in flying. As children, they had a toy helicopter that made them curious about flight. When the helicopter broke, the boys built their own model. That showed them not to doubt their skill at making things. As adults, the brothers built bicycles, printing presses, and kites. They also liked to make gliders, which are planes without engines. In the 1890s, flying in gliders was dangerous. The Wright brothers were eager to make flying safer. They thought that an engine would give pilots more control. In 1900, Orville and Wilbur went to the windy village of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. There, they kept testing new airplane designs. 3 years later, they had a model that worked. The plane was 16 feet wide and made of wood and cloth. It had a gas engine. The first flight took off on December 17, 1903. Orville would board the plane and squeeze tightly to hold on and control the plane. The engine would start with a screech. The plane flew in the air for 120 feet. The trip lasted 12 seconds and ended with a mild crash. There was some fear that the plane was damaged, but Wilbur flew it again a few hours later. You would have to leap for joy at the sight if you had been there. In 1905, the Wright brothers built an airplane that could fly for 30 minutes. On December 31, 1908, Wilbur flew a plane for a record-breaking 2 hours and 19 minutes. The Wright brothers kept working to build better airplanes.